Okay, this worksheet is going to be over the pressure conversion worksheet, and it's going to be for Wednesday, April 13th. But just to do a recap, this is what our station model looks like. And the station model is a way of presenting a bunch of information in a small spot. And today we're going to be talking about this number right here. That is the air pressure. And when we talk about air pressure, it is something that is read by a barometer. And for those of you that have been in my class or have seen this, as this goes up, that means it's a low pressure. And as this goes down, that means it's a high pressure. But when we take a look at the air pressure is measured in something called millibars, and it's normally between 950 millibars and 1050 millibars. But they want to keep it on here is a 3-digit number. In my eyes, they could have made life easier, not gone to the tens, but this last number is always a tenth. So if you can remember that it's going to be between 950 and 1050, that's the range, that might help. So on the worksheet, we have two different ways of going about this. One is you are given in millibars and you need to change it into the station model. And the other one is it's in the station model and you need to give it in millibars. So there's rules if you want to memorize rules. So to convert from the station model code to millibars, if the value is 500 or higher, put a 9 in front of it and add a decimal for the last digit. If the value is lower than 500, put a 10 in front of it and add a decimal for the last value. So like this one here, this is 281. 281 is lower than, so we will put a 10 in front of it and make the last digit a decimal. And you will see that 1028.1 is between 950 and 1050. If it's above 500, what we will do is we will put a 9 in front of it. So 980, and the last digit is a decimal. So both of these are going to be between 950 and 1050. And to go from millibars to station model is really easy. Just put the last two digits in. Last three digits. 3 digits, sorry. And when we take a look at it, that 0 is important. We have to have that 0 because this tells us that it would be 1080. Which if we didn't have that, it would then, if we had to convert it back, it would be different. Likewise, when we take a look at this 1008.4, we need that 0 in front. So the last 3 digits, okay? And between 950 and 1050, okay? So to do the worksheet, you got a front side, you got a back side. The directions are in front, up on top. Make sure you make a copy of it and have a great day.